Today we're doing 9.2 angles and classification. And the I can statement is I can classify angles based upon their angle measure.
Sweet. Let's switch spots, please. You stand over here. Jose, what does this symbol right here mean?
Angle.
Angle. Wonderful. And Jose, what does a straight angle measure?
Straight line.
What does it measure? What's the degree it measures?
180.
And a straight angle is a what, Aiden?
Angle is just a straight line, pretty much.
A straight line, pretty much. It is a straight line, right? Okay, tell me what angle, Jose, is less than 90 degrees. Tell me what angle is bigger than 90 but less than 180. Also called the what angle?
Mr. Walker.
A Mr. Walker angle. Yep, perfect. Okay, and I'm going to skip right over right angle. Jose, if you have two perpendicular lines that intersect one another, what do you know will happen with angle formations?
They'll equal right at 90 degrees.
Beautiful. And Jose, if you have intersecting lines that don't necessarily form at right angles or perpendicular lines, what happens? What do we get if you have intersecting lines that aren't necessarily forming perpendicular or right angles? You're going to get vertical angles. And what's true about vertical angles? What's true about vertical angles? Jose? Okay, a bit louder.
They make congruent lines.
Help them out, you guys. Vertical angles. What do vertical angles do? What's so special about a vertical angle? Or two vertical angles? What is so special? Loud, Alexis. The opposite angles are congruent on vertical angles, right? Okay, so Jose, could you please point to two angles in number 8 that are congruent?
One.
Actually, don't point to them. Could you pick up a pen and just dot them? One. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
Okay, can you point to with a different color pen to a couple of other set of angles that are congruent? Yes or no, you guys?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, now Jose, looking at number 9. Woo, stop. Looking at number 9, if angle 2 equals 130 degrees, Jose, tell us about angle 4.
It also
Why does angle 4 also equal 130?
because they're vertical lines and they are
Okay, why does angle 1 equal 50 degrees?
because this angle right here,
Because this angle right where?
right here,
Yeah?
it's a straight line.
Yep.
And since these two, you subtract them and you get 50.
Okay, so if I told you that angle 2 is 130, you know that angle 1 is going to be 50 because 130 and 50 add up to 180, and this straight line right there is 180, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
This is so much fun. And Jose, just for kicks and giggles, down here, we have something called perpendicular lines. Can you draw perpendicular lines right next to number 10 there? How do I know they're perpendicular? Because you made right angles, right? Okay, cool. And by the way, if he just made one right angle, can we assume that this over here is going to be a right angle?
Yes. Yes.
Are these intersecting lines?
Oh,
Is this a right angle? Is this going to be a right angle?
yes.
Yes, it is, even if they're perpendicular, right? So if you're doing this, if we're drawing perpendicular lines and we go like this, can we assume that this is going to be 90 degrees, this is going to be 90 degrees, and this is going to be 90 degrees?
Yes.
Because of all the rules we talked about with intersecting lines and vertical angles, right?
Yep.
Any other questions? Jose, hold on. Here.